Oh. You know what the most annoying thing is? The most annoying thing is not even um the fact that I'm crashing the Gnome. The most annoying thing is that my OBS does not connect to Twitch when I press start the stream. I need to try it multiple times by killing the OBS process and then restarting it. I have no idea why. It started a couple days ago. I'm pretty sure it's not the issue with my PC. Pretty sure it's not. I think it's the issue with the internet. Okay. Have I tried turning it off and on again? That's exactly what we're doing here. Not on purpose, but that's what's happening. We're turning everything on and off again. No open files. Okay, how do I test it safely without crashing everything? Hmm. Let's see the log. Let's see the log. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. So close has been requested, right? Close has been requested, and then we crash. Close has been requested, and then we crash. Interesting. What should I be looking for? What happened here? What happened? Like, how does this happen? How does this happen? Alright, let's see. So we changed some fields basically into refsel options. And we added... No, we didn't add anything. Everything is okay. So now we create the window builder in a separate function, and then we do the resuming, which does these things. Mm-hmm. I have no idea. How about we just test it on the other hardware on the phone? Are we feeling risky? We want to do it, right? We want to test it on the phone. Let's see. Why not? Maybe I can start with an emulator. How do I run the emulator? I mean, it's probably not going to brick my phone, right? Probably not. But maybe this is the time, just in case, to try out how to actually work with the emulator. So we have our Android SDK root. Build tools. Where is the emulator? Where do you think is the emulator? Is it on the command line tools? Binary? That's not the emulator. Is it platform tools? Is it just tools? Tools. Emulator. No AVD specified. Use at foo or dash AVD foo to launch a virtual device named foo. Help. Alright. Android emulator. Command line. Shutdown order might be a missing ref from an API that you're using, perhaps. The log was really helpful. The log was indeed really helpful. I could add more logs and try crashing again and seeing exactly where am I crashing, right? I want to see if it works on Android though. What if it works on Android but doesn't work on Gnome? What if it's not me who made a bug, but what if I found a bug in Gnome? Like, why would it shut down even if I made a bug in my own program, right? It should not. How to launch the Android emulator from the command line? I assume you have built your project and just need to launch it, but you don't have any AVDs created and you have to use command line for all the action. You have to do the following. Create a new virtual device. Android. Create AVD. Tools. Android. Create AVD. Name. Segfault. T. Target ID. Target ID is the API level you need. What is the API level I need? API level. API level 33? Is that it? Running flag T is not valid for create AVD. Create AVD T is a tag they provide me in this. If you can use GUI, just type in Android AVD and we will launch the manager. Just launch the AVD. Android AVD. What? Just AVD? There is no such thing as AVD. Android command is deprecated. For manual SDK AVD project manager, please use Android Studio. For command line tools, use SDK manager and this. Invalid on our supported command AVD. Okay, it's create AVD. Runner name must be specified. Name segfault. Okay, now we're not only segfaulting, we're also doing no class def found errors. That is very nice. I love that. Let's just run on the phone directly. Whatever. What happens? It happens. Alright. Okay, let's connect wireless debugging. Wait, why is it failing to connect? Why is it failing to connect? Why is it failing to connect? What is happening? I think it's because I'm inside the FHS or whatever that means. Can that be the reason? ADB connect 34487 failed to connect. That is weird. Let's try pairing again. ADB pair. Pairing code is 505598. Successfully paired. Okay, can I do the connect now? Now I can connect. It got unpaired for some reason. Okay. Alright. Fine. Let's do the copy of the screen. Okay, here's my phone. Okay, here's my phone. This is the real phone. Hopefully we don't segfault here. Well, hopefully. Alright. And then we do just Android. Alright. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Are we going to crash this thing or not? Okay, so there you go. This is the phone, right? And I can do this, and then I can play the game. I can do this and that. I can close it, and I open it again. Am I going to segfault when I close it? Alright, well at least we didn't segfault, alright? If I close though, I'll just put it in the background. Well, there's one thing. I did put it in the background first. It's supposed to, when I put it back into the foreground though, it was supposed to react to my stuff, but it was all like wrong, basically. Let's see, is there anything? I don't see anything. Why does it not work when I go back? Hold on, let me try this again. Let me try this again. So, because like right now, I'm touching and nothing works, you know? This is the problem, and this is what needs to be fixed. Okay, so let's see. Over here, it works, right? And then I go make it into background by doing this. So as you can see over here, we do window focus changed, and then we pause, right? So what needs to happen next is we need to unpause by going back into this thing. And as you can see, we're not unpausing. We are not unpausing. Which is weird. I think I should try. I should try what? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't have the logs here, so we should be getting the resuming, but I'm not sure if I get the resume. Is it because I'm never like maybe I should exit the flow here too? Maybe that's why. Let me see. Log debug suspended, and over here we do resumed. Let's try again. Okay, we can test safely on the Android. Android is not segfaulting. That's nice. That is nice. Why is my activities button here? I thought I set it to hide always. Okay, let's see. So the game is working, right? And then I do this. And as you can see, there's no suspending. Hold on. I'm not getting the suspension. I'm not getting the suspension events. Hold on. Huh? Huh? Where is this guy who made the Winit library? So one of the things that we changed is that on the event loop, on the run return, over here, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not getting the suspended. If I am not getting this suspended, it's very weird. I think I'm just going to surrender the Android once again. Like, yeah, it is too hard. It requires a lot of time. So what this means? This means that probably I need to rewrite this library. But we were waiting for some new API to stabilize on the Winit. Which means that I don't want to rewrite it right now, right? Or do I? Withdraw events cleared. This. I don't know, it doesn't work. I think I'm going to stop. I think this is it. This is too hard. I'll have to think how to approach that. We basically made everything worse now. So we wanted to fix Android, but instead we broke everything else. All right. Well. Yeah. I surrender. I surrender for now. I surrender for now. This is going to be it for me for today, and let's see if I want to fix that, or if we just want or some other stuff. But what? But what, Pigorli? You just joined. Well, welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. So it says that the stream has been going for 22 minutes, but that's not actually true. It has been almost like 7 or 8 hours, I think. It's because we crashed. We seg faulted. There has been a lot that was happening. So despite we have a lot of unwraps in our code, unwraps are actually pretty safe. It is the unsafe code that gives us trouble. So yeah, unsafe is hard. I don't really want to do that, but I'm not sure when I will try it again. We'll see. We'll see. It's not Hyprland crashing you. No. I'm not using Hyprland. This is Gnome now. Look at this. It's not Hyprland. It's not Hyprland who is crashing me. It's me who is crashing the thing. That's how it works this time. Alright, bye.
Thank you. Very cool. 40 million raiders. How's your raid? I mean, wow. I have no words for what I just said. How was your stream? You seg faulted your code. I'm about to do the same thing. I'm literally about to seg fault my code. That's fucking poggers. Let's go. Okay, crate. Okay. Cannot be indexed by that, sure. And expand. What is the problem? Crate can be indexed by what?